Hi, this is Lance, Implementation Consultant with PMG. There are a lot of use cases where you'll need to take some data and get it into a database for some purpose. Today, this typically requires detailed paperwork to be filled out, a DBA or developer's time, which inherently costs money. They will spec out the new table, create it, then populate the table with your data. Turnaround for this can take anywhere from 1 to 7 days. With a quick form and workflow, you can begin doing this in a matter of minutes and without the extra hassle and money it usually takes. Let's take a look at how. Before we proceed, there are a couple of assumptions to consider prior to building this service in your environment. The first, make sure that the user you have configured in the connection string for the data source where your table will be created has permissions to create database tables in the target database. In our case, it's Play Resources. The second assumption is that no column in your spreadsheet will contain more than 255 characters of data. This is some sample data we'll be using to upload to our new table that we create in our service. Using this short form, we can fill out the name of our new table, determine whether our spreadsheet, which can be either an Excel file or CSV, is delimited by some character. This is typically only relevant for CSV files, and then upload our spreadsheet with our data. It's important to note that the column names for your new table will match those in the first row of your spreadsheet, as shown in our sample spreadsheet. Let's take a look at the workflow and underlying actions that support this functionality. The action driving table creation is the upload data to database table action. With just a few configuration options, you're up and running in no time and able to create new tables. If we fill out and submit our service here, we can go into either SQL Server Management Studio or Table Manager and see that our data is uploaded for use in applications or services. Hopefully now you have an idea of how you can use the PMG Service Catalog to create new database tables much easier than you did before.